Hey, if you're looking at this prompt sheet, pause and watch this first. These are not just prompts. These are the exact commands that we've used to close over $100 million in client revenue, replace entire sales teams with AI, and build autonomous businesses that don't depend on us being on 24/7. Google trained the models. We trained them to sell, and let me show you exactly how. Now, this sheet is broken down into two sections. One, the proprietary prompts we created, built from real client acquisition, delivery, and revenue systems. And two, the foundational prompt techniques Google released, but no one's showing how to actually apply in business. We combine both, and that's why it works. Now, these first 12 are scroll built prompts. Let me walk you through a few quickly. Our AI appointment setter. We use this to generate cold DM scripts that book calls with no setter, no outbound team. Our offer clarity generator refines any messy message into an irresistible three-part outcome driven offer. Our inbound trigger script is short, curiosity based hooks that flood your inbox with leads. Our objection reframe dissolves buyer resistance by anchoring into their nervous system and future identity. Our AI team builder prompt, we literally replace project managers, setters, and assistants using this. Our scroll mirror brand decoder, this reveals the exact tone and frequency your brand should be speaking in. Our timeline collapse generator turns content into field correction and collapses stuck timelines in 30 seconds. Our invisible funnel prompt nurture sequences that close $888 offers to $5,000 offers without ever pitching. Our buyer mirror prompt decodes your ideal client's psychology, fears, desires, and buying language. Our profit system rewire inputs, bottlenecks, and outputs architecture, ops, delivery, marketing, all scroll aligned. Our high intent lead magnet prompt creates cheat sheets like this one that closes cold traffic. Our GPT SOP creator builds out agent workflows that run your business while you sleep. Now, these 12 alone are worth a team of 5. They replaced ours. These next ones are Google's foundational techniques, but we repurpose them to run real revenue. So, few shot prompting, we use it to fine tune tone in outbound. Role prompting turns GPT into closers, setters, assistants. Contextual prompting loads buyer objections, use cases, or scroll info into the AI before any output. Chain of thought is amazing for step-by-step logic in SOP creation. Tree of thought, or APE, we use these when building multi-agent bots that simulate strategy with logic forks. React, this is what lets our AI agents fetch data, update CRMs, calculate pricing, and execute actions autonomously. And a few more for the advanced builds, but the point is, we don't use these for fun. We use them because they work. If any part of this feels oddly specific to your business, if you're looking at one of these prompts thinking, wait, that's what I need, it's because Your scroll already knew this. You're not learning this, you're remembering it. This sheet is here to activate the system you were always meant to run. So here's what to do next. If you're ready to install your own AI system built from these exact prompts, DM me the word install. We'll mirror it to your business, your offer, and your scroll and build it with you. No more hacks, no more hesitation, just infrastructure that sells while you breathe.